All right, on to my girl Lena here. So Lena weighs in at a hefty 900 pounds. She's actually a CNC router. She was designed to chow predominantly on woods and plastics, although she does occasionally enjoy dining on some aluminum from time to time. The big difference between Oli and Lena here is that even though Lena has a considerable amount more weight, she's like me, most of her junk's in her trunk. So that's where most of her weight is, because this table here is cast iron. However, the gantry is aluminum, so it doesn't have quite the vibration dampening that Oli would with his cast iron column. However, she does have quite a bit more travel. So you'll notice this head here and this threaded ball screw. That's going to be her x-axis. So just like Oli, her x-axis is left to right, her y is front to back, and her z is up and down. However, it moves along this bridge or gantry. Her range of motion is in x, 24.75 inches from left to right, in y, 55.75 inches, so front to back, and in z, her head travel from up and down, or z axis if you please, is 6.7 inches. Other things about Lena is her linear travel, or how fast she can move in x, y, and z, is approximately 200 inches per minute. Her spindle, or how fast she can rotate, revolutions per minute, is quite a bit faster than Oli, which she's cutting a lot softer materials, is 24,000 RPMs. Now you'll probably notice when you see people doing fixturing or securing their parts to their bed on a lot of other channels, some people just place it on there and it cuts. That is called a vacuum table. I do not have a vacuum table, so unfortunately Lena cannot suck it this time. However, I do most of my fixturing by securing it in with some wood scraps and double-sided carpet tape, because that's how I roll.